The key to the heart of a woman is compliment. Women are moved by what they hear, while you men are moved by what you people see. Every woman wants to be with a man that values them. Every woman wants to be in an environment that they are highly recognized or highly valued. So you complimenting a woman simply means you know the value of that woman, simply means you value that woman present, simply means you value that woman existence in your life. So by you complimenting her, trust me, you're gonna be eating her for free. 8 compliment that will make a woman fall in love with you. As the woman is falling in love with you, she is going to allow you to be eating her even for free. I have told you guys severally in my teaching that there is power in you complimenting a woman. Every woman loves to be complimented, most especially by a man that she's admiring, a man that she's into a committed or serious relationship with. Let me tell you, there is a way you will compliment a woman that without you giving a woman 1 naira, she could give out her kpekos to you. That is to tell you how powerful compliment is to women. Women love it when you compliment them, tell them, baby, you are beautiful, baby, you are the best, you are my word, you are the best thing that happens to me. It drives a whole lot of us crazy. Okay, you make this woman believe that you love her so much and she is going to fall in love with you deeply. She will give in everything she has, including her kpekos. Do you actually know the reasons why those guys that play games, those humanizers, actually get women to knock them for free? It is because they have a sweet mouth. It is because they have a sweet tongue. They actually know what to tell a woman to drive the woman crazy. They actually know what to tell a woman to make the woman give out the kpekos for them for free. That is why you see them having numerous women out there. That is why you see them knocking numerous women out there. If you see a man that humanizes, most of those ladies that he's knocking, he knocks them for free. He knocks them without giving them 1 naira, simply because he knows the right words to say to a woman that a woman will fall in love with him completely, that a woman will feel like, oh, this guy truly loved me. He loved me genuinely. Let me give him my kpekos. Before we dive right into those 8 compliments. Hi amazing people, I'm Rhoda-b and you are welcome to my channel. Here we talk about love, relationship and things of the other room, and how you can understand your partner better. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscription bell to join the family. If you are my returning subscriber, God bless you. After watching this video, guys, see my hands up, watch at least 2 to 3 more videos on this channel. So quickly, what are these 8 compliments that can drive a woman crazy, that can make a woman release her kpekos for you for free, that can make a woman release herself for you for free, that can make a woman give in everything she has for you for free without you doing much for her? She is going to be giving you. Number 1 of those compliments is by you telling a woman how beautiful she is. Let her realize how beautiful she is in and out. When you tell a woman that she's looking pretty, that she's beautiful, that she's beautifully dressed, it drives a whole lot of women crazy. And that is number 1 side of attraction of that woman to you. When you continue telling a woman you are beautiful both in and out, you are so amazing, I just love everything about you. Everything about you is perfect. You are the most beautiful woman I came across. You are the most beautiful woman I've ever met. Do you know what happened? This woman will begin to get attracted to you whenever you are doing that. Do you understand me? That is number 1 compliment that will make a woman give her kpekos to you freely for you to knock. Number 2, your smile lights my room. When you tell a woman how you fall in love with her smile, or how you love her smile, how her smile lights up your room, or how her smile makes you happy, you are getting this woman more attracted to you. Your smile alone drives me crazy. Your smile alone makes me happy. Your smile alone makes me feel like I'm with the best woman in the whole world. Okay, she's gonna give it to you for free. You gonna eat her for free. Number 3 compliment is, I love your intelligence and insight. Oh my God. Women love to be appreciated. Women love it so much when you appreciate that intelligence and that insight, that knowledge, that capability, that hard work. You keep on telling her she's industrious, she's intelligent, she's insightful, she's full of wisdom, she's full of knowledge. Nothing drives a woman crazy more than that. Nothing makes a woman happy more than that. And nothing gets a woman attracted to you more than that, because every woman wants to be with a man that appreciates them. Every woman wants to be with a man that actually knows that value. You gonna eat her for free. Number 4, you are so kind and caring, and that inspires me. Okay, when you tell a woman how caring and how you are inspired by her kindness and her caring for you, it makes the woman to want to do more for you. Do you hear me? It makes that woman to want to do more for you as a gentleman. So as a gentleman out there, it's always very good. Always remind her that she is so kind and caring, and her kindness and caring for you really inspires you. You will see her giving it to you to eat for free. It's going to make her feel special. It's going to make her feel like it seems like she is the only one in your life. So whenever you demand for knack, she's not going to resist you. She's not going to say no to you, because you know the key. Number 5, your passion for life is contagious. Okay, let her realize that how passionate she is about life is contagious. Let her realize that everything within her life is something that is worth emulating. When you make a woman realize that she can be emulated, or you are emulating her personality, you are getting that woman more attached to you. Do you hear me? Number 6, you are an amazing partner, a friend, and person. My darling man, this woman is going to love you madly. This woman is not going to resist you. This woman is not going to resist you whenever you ask her for whatsoever. Number 7, I appreciate your unique perspective. I repeat, I appreciate your unique perspective. When you make a woman realize that she's unique in her thinking, in her reasoning, in everything she does, you are making this woman falling in love with you more. You are getting her to fall in love with you more. You are getting her to believe that you are the best thing that happened to her. When you make a woman realize that she is unique, she is unique in her perspective, in everything she does, she's unique, you will see this woman loving you more and more. You will see this woman loving you more and more on daily basis. You will see this woman not be able to resist you. You will see this woman doing whatever you ask her to do, even if it is for you to get down with her for free, even if it is for you to, knock her front and back throughout a whole night without you giving her 1 naira. All those compliments alone is enough for her to release herself for you, because you are making her feel that you value her, you are not taking her for granted, you genuinely love her, you have a strong feelings for her. Because trust me, it takes a man that truly love a woman, or a man that love a woman genuinely, to compliment a woman. Do you understand me? And we women will love it compliment. You just see one ugly girl walking around and tell her, baby girl, you are beautiful, I love your shape, I love your hair. You will see that she will begin to feel blushing. She will give you more attention. If you want to get a woman attention, or if you want to get a woman to love you, you'll be complimenting her steady. Every morning you wake up, always be there to remind her how beautiful, how she's an amazing person, how she's the best thing that happened to you, how her beauty cannot be compared, how she cannot be replaced, how she's irreplaceable in your heart, how deeply you love her. Whatever you ask of her, she will never resist you. Do you understand me? The last one on my list is you make me feel seen and heard. I repeat, you make me feel seen and heard. A woman always loves to know how important she is to you. And let the compliment be from the place of heartfelt. Let the compliment be from a genuine heart. Not that you are just saying it casually. Mean what you are saying. And see this woman not resisting you. And see this woman falling in love with you. See this woman investing everything in you people's relationship. Do you understand me? So this is simply 8 ways you can compliment a woman for you to eat her. Do you hear me? This actually brings us to the end of this video. If you watch this video to this point, it means you love this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscription bell to join the family. Turn your notification bell on to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you are my returning subscriber, I love you. After watching this video, go ahead and watch others of my video. This actually brings us to the end of this video. I remain your able coach, Rhoda-b. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.